दास ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਹੁਕਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਦੋ ਤਿੰਨ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਦਿਹਾੜਾ which we all, the clan Satsangat, got together. And the best part of it, I'm very proud of the MC because they did not do a khanda part but went on doing a sahaj part. That was the biggest change. It's very nice, very good to see that. We should move away from a khanda part. Sahaj part I know was very difficult for them to do. 5 days, not easy to do the logistics. 5 days continuously from morning until evening. But then it is for the Sangat. And if it is done for the Sangat should also reciprocate in the way, reciprocal. That if the MC is doing such, we also should come and help them out and come and listen to Gurbani. Because ਜਦੋਂ ਖੰਡ ਪਾਠ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ, usually we don't hear. And then mostly is done by the Granthis, paid Granthis. Now I think so the Sangat took part, isn't it so? The Sangat took part 1 hour, 2 hours, and they have been doing the role. And the Sangat has been listening. That is a way forward. The same thing, we should move away of giving Granthi $200-300 and doing a part for our Karaj, Bhog or something else, whatever, Kushida Moka and all that, we pay the Granthi and do the parts. That's not the way. That's not the Sikhi way at all. That's not, it's a Prakash thing. Are we enlightened? So I like to congratulate the MC for doing this, and they should move on. I know there will be some negativity about it, no, but it's on the positive side. Leave a khanda part behind. If you're doing a khanda part, you are just looking for miracles and all that. Okay, kita and throw in the akash and something good will come to you. No, no such thing. It's an effort of listening, effort of understanding, and then walking. Jira Guru kanda wasi kariye. And it's a learning process. As we go to school and we learn from the teacher, here also we come and listen and understand and then put that into our daily life. That's important. Or else we are looking for miracles, aake baith ke the maya sun liya, langar kha ke te chal gaye. Koi dilchaspi nahi. Don't know what's spirituality, main kyon sikha, main kyon daadi case rakhi, main ki karne aaya, ek koi dilchaspi nahi. So whatever I'm going to share with you all is some directions, some signposts, because the journey you have to take to the destination has to be your own. By understanding, learning and putting into practice, that's your journey. According to your traits, according to your emotion, intellect and all that, it is your personal journey. What I can give you here is what Guruji is saying, Shabd Guru. I Sanj kar sakda main sode na. Because Guruji says, Guruji कहने ने भगत कबीर से, कबीर साचा सतगुर क्या करे जो सिखा में चू. Can you all see from behind? This is the okay. Guru Ji कहते सतगुर साचा क्या करे. He say what can he do? But we have been told there will be miracle happening, kripa ho jogi, that's all right, meher karuga, that's the words we have been told. Meher, kripa, everything will be fine. But Kabir ji कहते ने साचा सतगुर क्या करे, what can he do? क्या करे? जो सिक्खा में चूक. He said the fault lies in the Sikh because he doesn't have the eagerness, the longing to come and read and understand. There's none. We are just followers of Babas. We are followers of Karam Khan, Pakhandi. That's all we are doing. So Kabir ji is telling us kya kare. He is there to be read. Do we know Kati Rag ne? How is the composition? What Guruji is saying? Start from Japji Sahib. He said, what can he do? And you are asking all kind of miracles. You buy spirituality. You think so? You did Asa Ki War or Sukhmani Sahib part. Guru no kosh kar liya. There's nothing there. After that, you make langar, eat among yourselves and go back home. MC also happy, there's some collection of money and you also happy you have bought over spirituality. Is that a Sikh? Sikh is a learner. Another question, are you born a Sikh? No. You are not. You make yourself Sikh when you learn and understand what Guruji is telling you. Then you become a Sikh. A learner. Before that, you are not. Although you can be born in a Sikh family, you are not a Sikh. You are not a learner. Sikhyarthi nahi. So Kabir ji is saying, Kabir Sacha Sadgur kya kare jo Sikha mein chuk. He said, what can I do? The lapse, the fault is in the Sikhs. They don't want to learn. They don't want to open and learn. And they don't want to understand. अपराला किया 5 दिन सहज पाठ पढ़िया गया. एक शब्द आके सुन के ते उदा अर्थ हो जाए, ते उदी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए. होया जे होया तो वेरी गुड. मेरा सीस थोड़े चरणों दे च. Even one channel. He said, what can I do? We are not interested. Again, he said, Andek na lagi jo baans bajaiye fu. He says just like in the bulo, you have the flute, the air goes in and the air comes out the other side. That's what happens. It goes into one ear and comes out the other ear. Are we going to do that today? Or we are going to take something back home? Since the MC have given me until 8:45 to speak. So you came here as satsangi to learn something. So is it going to be the same thing? As Guruji says, like bamboo flute, blown in one ear and the food comes out the other way. Nothing goes in because he don't want to change. He's arrogant as it is. He prefers listening to Kirtan because nobody talks about it. He shakes his head and goes back home. Katha very difficult to listen. Because that's what Guruji is telling to our God. This is what, see, Kabirji is telling the fault is in us. Very difficult to hear. When you know what you are doing. कित्थे खड़े हैं असीं सारे जानते हैं की कर रहे हैं, की सोच रहे हैं, की करते हैं, किदे वास्ते गुरुद्वारे आए हैं, ये भी सानू पता. I am also hungry. I am waiting for the langar later. So are we going to, when we listen to Guru's Bani, going to put up a wall? Okay, Mary sunna ye time boli janda. No, we came here to, I know I can give my opinion. Who I am, not important. But Guru Di Bani, you came as a Sikh, we learn and go. Let's take something back home. Okay, let's go into the background of how the Poti Sahib came by in 1604. Prakash, that means on that day, Guruji is telling that I am giving you Chanan. Enlightenment. That Sikha, you go back and read. Read this, I am giving you this. So how it came by? Very, just in a gist, we all know that it has been compiled by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. And It's a written work of the Pothi of started from Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji ne ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲੇ Pothi ਸੀ. He used to go everywhere and carry this and record all the Shabad. It has been recorded. And say it was handed down to the succeeding three Gurus, Guru Angad Dev Ji, Guru Amar Das Ji, Ram Das Ji, and then the Pothis came to Guru Arjan Dev Ji. And remember this, we got two types of Gurgati. Today we are celebrating Pehla Prakash Purb, Prakash Dihara, Gurgati Dihara, which is the Adi Granth, Pothi Sahib, which was Santapana Kitisi in Harmandir Sahib in 1604 by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Later, Guru Gobind Singh Ji added Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Shabd and gave us Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, that's Gurgati Dihara. So we have got two. दो गुरपुरब बनाते हैं ਅਸੀਂ सिख. One Pehla Prakash 1604, the first time the Pothi Sahib in Harmandir Sahib, and Gurgati Dihara when Guru Gobind Singh Ji completed and gave us Sri Guru Granth Sahib, that this is your Guru and you learn from this. That's in 1708. Now it was completed, the Adi Granth was completed on August 29. And on 1st September 1604, it was the Adi Granth was put into Harmandir Sahib, and the first Granthi at that time was Bhai Buddha Ji. Then we also know that for Gurgati, the second part of 1708 where Guru Gobind Singh Ji compiled, that was in Damdama Sahib and was scribed by Bhai Mani Singh. Here, Pehla Prakash, we are talking about, the scriber was Bhai Gurdas Ji, who wrote, but compiled and edited by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Just give you an example. We got 22 Varas in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So now, most of the Gurus, the extent of work, I'm just telling you what Guru Arjan Dev Ji did. They have sloks and all that. But if you read Vara, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ sloka ਤੇ ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ. So ਅਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਮਾਝ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਹੈ, ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਵਾਰ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੇ ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਰਚੀਆਂ, ਪਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਯੂ ਗੋਟ ਮਹਲਾ ਤੀਜਾ, ਯੂ ਗੋਟ ਮਹਲਾ ਚੌਥਾ, ਮਹਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ also you got. So all this has been compiled by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੁੱਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, or sometimes it is contrast has been put there and made into a var. So sometimes var you will have 23 paudiyaan, 22 paudiyaan, and you have sloks, 67 sloks, 56 sloks, like that. And then which the sloks were extra, Guruji wrote in 1410, page 1410, Varan slok, Varan Devadi. You have that. If you open and see the composition of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So very perfectly edited and numbered, and nobody can change the numbers. Because every rag will start with Guru Nanak Dev Ji, then it goes to Guru Amar Das Ji, Ram Das Ji, and Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and then the last Guru Tegh Bahadur, then it will go into Vara, and then it will go into Bhakt Bani. That's how the tartib is. It goes on. So then Guruji have given in Guru Granth Sahib we have this Pothi Parmeshwar Ka Than. So when it was with Guru Nanak Dev Ji was Pothi, then became Pothi Sahib, Adi Granth, and now we have Sri Guru Granth Sahib. So, but this is from Guru Arjan Dev Ji. He said, Pothi Parmeshwar Ka Than. So, what does he mean? He said, is the place, point of realization of the Creator within. This is the place where you realize the Hukam, the Creator is within you. Pothi Parmeshwar Ka Than. Okay, Guruji कहते ने साध संग गावे गुण गोबिंद पूर्ण ब्रह्म ज्ञान. He say in the satsang, when you go to it, when you read it, when विचार करता है तू, क्योंकि गुरु जी कहे सत्संग कैसी जानी है जिथे एको नाम वखानी है. जो नाम की जी व्याख्या होंगी है, इंटरनलाइजेशन होंगे, वो तो गुरु जी कहते सत्संग गावे गुण गोबिंद पूर्ण ब्रह्म ज्ञान. गुरु जी कहते जो मैसेज ना असी एसोशिएट करांगे, समझांगे, इनू हिरदे विच वसावांगे, फिर इहदा रियलाइजेशन हुंदा, पता लगता कि वो तो मेरे विच बैठा, ਉਹਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਇਜ਼ ਵਿਦਿਨ ਮੀ, ਬਾਹਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਲਣਾ ਸੀ. ਸੋ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਬਿਕਮਿੰਗ ਦ ਡਿਵਾਈਨ ਵਰਚਸ, ਪੂਰਨ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਗਿਆਨ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ. ਅੱਗੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਨ ਦ ਸੇਮ ਸ਼ਬਦ, ਸਾਧਕ ਸਿੱਧ ਸਗਲ ਮੂੰਹ ਲੋਚੈ ਬਿਰਲੇ ਲਾਗੇ ਧਿਆਨ. ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ, पूजे हुए लोग आ स्पिरिचुअली जर्नी दे तुरते ने, दे सीक रियलाइजेशन ऑफ द क्रिएटर विद इन. सारे समझना चाहते ने कि वो हुक्म मेरे अंदर आ, वो मेरे विच वसदा. सो गुरु जी कहते ब्लैस्ड आर दोस हू इंटरनलाइज, जड़े प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, जड़े अमल करते हैं, पढ़ के समझते हैं तो डेली दे विच गुरु के जड़े गुण ने वर्ताव दे विच लेके आते. द मैसेज विद इन द गुरबाणी पोथी. माफ़ करना, I have to do this because the meaning given in the English version is completely different. The English tikka used by the Sant Singh there is sometimes divergent. It's very on the Brahminical side. आगे गुरु जी की कहते ने, जिसे कृपाल होए मेरा स्वामी पूर्ण ताको काम. गुरु जी कहते ने ब्लैस्ड आर दोस जड़े न इधले पासे लगे ने, फुलफिल देयर डिजायर टू रियलाइज द क्रिएटर. तांग रखते ने कि मैनू समझ आ जाए कि वह हुक्म मेरे विच है, कि रब मेरे विच है, राम जड़ा हैगा सारे पासे पसरिया होया वो मेरे विच है. Longing, realize the Creator within through the message of the Gurbani, the Pothi, because Guruji started Pothi Parmeshwar Ka Than. And then he goes on. He says, जाके हृदय वसे पै भंजन तिस जाने सगल जहान. गुरु जी कहते हैं जिहदे हिरदे दे विच समझ आ गई that the Creator is within. पै पंचन जरा डिस्ट्रॉय ऑफ फियर. असी बहुत डरते हैं, डर के तो असी गुरुद्वारे आने ना, पाप पुण्य तो डरते हैं असी, कुछ हो ना जाए फिर असी आने. पर गुरु जी तो तू पढ़ समझ हो पै पंजन, डिस्ट्रॉय ऑफ फियर. फिर असी पखंडी नहीं होवांगे, हिपोक्रेट नहीं होवांगे, कर्मखंडी नहीं होवांगे. असी आके तो सिर हिला के तो लंगर जिन्ना भुखिया वास्ते गुरु ने सानू सिद्धांत दिता सी, असी आप ही बना के खा के चल देने. ये नहीं हो, पर नहीं बदलता. सो गुरु जी कहते सीज द क्रिएटर विद इन द होल वर्ल्ड. अगे गुरु जी कहते खिन पल बिसर नहीं मेरे करते, ये नानक मांगे दान. गुरु जी कहते ने इस तरह का दान मंगीए असी कि वो जो डिवाइन वर्चस ने ना सदा साडे हिरदे विच बसे रहन, उन्हां दे नाल असी वेखीए, सुनीए ते बोलीए, यानी कि कथनी ते करनी साडी एक हो जाए. नहीं तो असी वेखदे कोल कुछ हाँ, सुनते कोल कुछ हाँ, करते कोल कुछ हाँ. यही होंगे. ईवन फॉर द स्मॉलेस्ट मैशर ऑफ टाइम मैं भूल ना जावा की है, ये गुरु कहते बाणी पढ़नी याद नहीं, गुरु ने कहा बाणी पढ़ के समझना, विचार करना, हिरदे विच बसा के चलना, ये अमल करना। सो जो अमल करांगे वो गुण साडे विच होणगे। गुरु की कहंदा ऑलवेज विथ मी, सारे गुण हैगे कि असीं संतोखी होना चाहिए, लंबियां अरदासां नहीं चाहिए, कि असीं मंगना चाहिए गुरु के संतोख होए, जो भी कुछ मंगना नहीं गुरु तो नहीं, फिर भी असीं मंगते हैं, फिर भी असीं डरते हैं। So all the good, every time, this is how we go on with our life. Come again. So, following that, Guru Arjan Dev Ji took around 3 years, from 1601 to 1604, to compile, edit all the first 4 Gurus' Banis. Sorry, 5 Gurus' Banis. 50 Hindu or Muslim Bhagats we had. We got 11 parts and 3 Gursikhs. 3 Gursikhs is what? Sundar, Bhai Sundar Ji, Satta and Balwant. They are known as 6. Then we got 11 parts and 15 Bhagats and 5 Gurus. That is the Pothi, Adi Granth. And what was the theme? That there's one God within you and He's everywhere. One creation and one humanity. Universal message. And what was the first Hukamnama Baba Buddha Ji took was Santan ke कार जाप खलोआ हर काम करावन आया राम, at page at Ang 783. Now let's go a bit more into how Guru Nanak Dev Ji came by with all this. Let's start with जी गुरु नानक देव जी बाणी, जिसे जैसी मैं आवे कसम की बाणी तैसड़ा करी ज्ञान वे लालो. No, the Lalu here is not the carpenter Kawasaki said. Lalu means mere lal, mere sikho. That's what Guruji is saying. Mere lal. You see, ਸਾਡੇ ਮਾਮਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਪੁੱਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਲਾਲ, with very lovingly ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੁਲਾਵਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਲਾਲ. So Guruji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ जैसी मैं आवे कसम की बाणी, कसम की, my husband Lord, my creator, जब मेरे विच है तैसड़ा उमें खूब खूब करी ज्ञान वे लालो. वो मेरे लाल सिखो उमें मैं सुन दस रहा जिमें मैंने मिलिया, मैंने जिमें ज्ञान होया. No, but we will put into miracle war. This was given by God who somewhere else and given to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. A nahi gal. Before that, let us go and see what Guru Nanak Dev Ji did. Guru Nanak Dev Ji went, you see, Baba Farid, who is a Muslim, his Bani is in Guru Granth Sahib, asi matha tek dene. 1173, Baba Farid hoye and Guru Nanak came in 1469. 300 years before that. But Baba went to his dera and got his Bani. He copied all the shabd and all that which is accordingly. Now, was that, if we question, was that Bani before 1469? No. Only when Guru Nanak Dev Ji went there and took whatever required from Baba Farid Ji and then incorporated into the Pothi Sahib, it became Bani. Another example, let's say, Bhagat Kabir. Bhagat Kabir got 2 Granth. One is Anurag Sagar, the other one is Bijak. They are very thick Granths, 6,000 over of sloks and shabd. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji went, you see Guru Nanak Dev Ji ने 4 उदासियां कीतियां, 40,000 किलोमीटर तो ज़्यादा तुरे ने, जाके डिस्कस किया, लोगों को मिले, किते किते नहीं गए, Makkah, Medina, he went everywhere, Goa, everywhere he went, he had चर्चा, he had discourses, सिद्ध किते ने, सिद्ध गोष्ठ, and same thing, he incorporated only 224 Shabd of Guru, of Bhagat Kabir Ji in Sri Guru Granth Sahib, and 243 sloks. That's all from the 6,000 over Shabd. Now, if somebody comes and tells us there's another Shabd very nice, can you put inside? It's Bhagat Kabir Ji. No, that will be not Gurbani at all. Only with Guru Nanak Dev Ji took, incorporated, and Guru Arjan Dev Ji wrote into the Adi Granth, that's Gurbani. So there is more on Bhagat Kabir Ji, but we do not take that, we do not read that, and asi ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕਦੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਬੀਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਪਰ ਭਗਤ ਕਬੀਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਨਹੀਂ, we do not do that. So all the 15 pads, Guru Nanak Dev Ji have went around and got their Gurbani and wrote in his Pothi. So Guru Ji कहते रहे, जैसी में आवे कसम की बानी तैसरा करी ज्ञान में ला लो. Again, इसे सच की बानी नान काख है, सच सुनाई सी सच की बेला. He said, this is the creator's one, Sach ki Bani, Sat, everlasting one. Nan kakhe Sach Sanaisi Sach ki Bela. He said, one should bring about realization of the creator within and make this, read this. To samjhai what is the Amrit. Amrit here is the Gurbani. This is the one pertaining, creator pertaining, relating, connecting and realizing it. How? Now, earlier I said, did he got this, did Guru Nanak Dev Ji got this message miraculously from up? Let's go into Japji Sahib. Japji Sahib, Guru Ji ਦੱਸਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ we have this Nanak Gaya Jape Jai in the 34th body. Guruji said, I have walked that path. Guru Nanak said, my realization of the Creator within me has come about by me walking on the spiritual path. That means he has gone through and he's holding our hand and telling us, तुसी भी सीखो आओ, ये journey दे तुसी ये मार्ग दे चलो. That Guruji कहते रहे, I have walked on the spiritual path and realized and understood. Now you walk on this spiritual path and realize and understand yourself. वो Guruji कहते नान के असी आए पढ़ देने हैं, because असी रटन करते सो. नान क्या जब पे जाए. And even when we read in the 5 khands, Saram Khand and then Gyan Khand, there you have this verse, Vikhay, Viksay, Kar, Vichar. Guru Nanak Dev Ji कहते हैं, I have walked the path upon evaluation and contemplation within. In the Karam Khand he has stated that. Vikhay, मैं Vikhay, Viksya में चल रहा, evaluate, contemplate किता है, तो मैं विचार किता है. That's how we get. Guruji कहते ने तुर्की बाणी आई. Now when is the Turki Bani आई? Again let me repeat. Guru Nanak Ji have walked. It came from his consciousness and he is sharing with us. became enlightened, and he is sharing with the Shabd Guru with us. So Bani has come to me from within, from the deepest recessions of consciousness. Same principle Guru Nanak promulgated in his Bani. फिर आगे गुरु जी की कहते ने तेन सगली चिंत मिटाई. And this Bani, if is read, ਇਹਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਅਮਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚਿੰਤਾਵਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਚਿੰਤਾਵਾਂ and all that, our depression, whatever we have sorrows and all that will depart. Why will they depart? Because ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਣ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਅਮਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਬਣ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਨਮੁਖਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਮਨਮੁਖਾਂ ਵਰਗੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਦੁੱਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਗਾ. That's what Guruji is telling us. It's the greatest self-help book, telling us how to live our daily life. That's what Guruji is telling us. कि सिक्खा तू आए अपनी जिंदगी चला. So that's one part. That it is not Shuv Mantra that the Bani came. Guruji is telling, I walk the path. This is what I have. I'm giving to you. Prakash. That's what we're talking about. Prakash Dihara. And you also walk into that journey. Very important thing. We can't differentiate with Shabd Guru and the physical Guru. I hope when you go back today, you have this mind, this distinction, which many of us, it is blurred for us. Come, let's go into that. Guru Nanak Dev Ji jo Jyoti Jyot Samaye si in 1539, Guru Nanak Dev Ji passed away. Now the Gurgadi went to Guru Angad Dev Ji. And there was detractors, because Guru Nanak Dev Ji had Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das. Sri Chand was the elders. And sure, always that the elder son will get everything of whatever the father leaves behind. But in this case, Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the Guru Gaddi to Lehna Ji, made him Guru Angad Dev Ji. And the pothis, what Guru Nanak Dev Ji had, went all to Bhai Lehna Ji. And he was told to go to Khadur side, leaving Kartarpur. Now the Kartarpur, 17 acres, whatever ashram he had there and all that, I don't know really, 17 years he took to cultivate, not acres, 17 years he took to cultivate Guru Nanak Dev Ji. After his udasis, he left it to his children. But he told Guru Angad Dev Ji to go to Khadur side, gave him the pothi, and then only after 1 week he Jyoti Jyot Samaye, he passed away. Now the question arises, if we were Sikhs there with Guru Nanak Dev Ji, will we follow Guru Angad Dev Ji or remain with Guru Nanak Dev Ji in Kartarpur? That's a question. Let's think about it. Again, let me repeat. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave instructions to Guru Angad Dev Ji. He matha tekya, gave him the Gurgadi, and told him to go to Khadur Sahib. Gave him the pothis, all the Bani he had collected of the Paktandi and all that, he had with him and gave it to Guru Angad Dev Ji. And told him to go to Khadur Sahib. And he remained with his children in Kartarpur. I as a Sikh, where would I go? Question mark. Let's go into this. Ang 966 of the Guru Granth Sahib. Har chel, it's written, Har chele re ras ki Nanak salamat teem de. This is from the war of Satta Balwant at 966. We got 3 wars in Ramkali, the Rag, and this is the 3rd one. After the Guru Arjan Dev Ji the war, this starts at page 966. And Satta Balwant writes, Gurchele re ras ki Nanak salamat teem de. The Guru bowed down to his disciple while Nanak was still alive. Darja, we just have to read, it is in Gurbani. Again, Satika de tos jeem de. The Guru, while still alive, adorned Lena with Gurgadi. Still alive, gave the Gurgadi ship. Again, next one. And he said he earned it. Why he earned it? Because he read, understood, walked the talk. He, whatever Guru Nanak Dev Ji, this is Sikhi, to Shabd Vichar Kar, Lena did and followed. That's why it's written Nanak proclaimed Lena's succession. He earned it. And in the same place it's written Jot oha jog sai se kaya fer paltiya. It's the same, this same one line. Same way, only the Guru have changed the body. That means the Vichar Tara is same. It went to Guru Angad Dev Ji. The Shabd, all Pothi went to Guru Angad Dev Ji. Then later, look, even in Gurbani is written this, Putri kol na palyo kar piron kan murthiye. Says sons of Baba Nanak, Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das did not live up as to the Sikhi of Baba Nanak's word. Are we doing that? Are we doing that? His own sons didn't live up to the Shabd Vichar, understanding and walking the whatever is written in Gurbani. They turned their backs on him as Guru. It's in Gurbani. Yeah? I did not make up these stories. And please do go and do your research. Just don't take it, वो माँ बोले से ये ठीक है, नहीं, तुसी भी करे जाके पढ़े हो, देखियो ये ठीक बोले, क्या में आदिम चला के चले गया. Go and read, do some research on it. And then Guruji कहते हैं दिल खोटे आँखी फिरन बन पारू चाय छट्टी है. Very strong words used by the Sikhs, Satta and Balwan, the enlightened Sikhs. It said the evil-hearted ones became rebellious. They carry loads of vices because defects on their backs. About his sons. So the question earlier posed to us, where the Sikhs will go. Physical Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Or will you follow Guru Angad Dev Ji, who have been given the Gurgadi and became the Guru, and he had the Pothi, everything is with him. So the distinction I'm putting here is the physical Guru and the Shabad Guru. But what are we doing? We can see, we also do the same thing. Somebody comes there, kapet to matha tek liya. Ba Nishan Sahib to matha tek liya. Koi sant aa gaya, ਉਹਦੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਪੈ ਗਏ. Sachkhand matha tek liya. You see, we have no location, no institution, nothing doing. No Sikhs were matha taken to any institution, person or location or any building, right? Only we come here at Matha Tikya because the respect we have of the Shabd Guru. And that's what we want to learn and go back home. बिकॉज वो साड़ी जी मत है अकल है उची कर दूगा, विकास आजू, समझ आजू जिंदगी दी कि मैं कर ही की रहा एंड व्हाट शुड आई बी डू, बिकॉज दिस इज द खजाना, खजाना गिवन टू अस. बट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी हैव गॉन बैकवर्ड एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रकाश दिहाड़ा. गुरु ने तो प्रकाश किया सी कि गुरसिख वधूगा, पर असी उमें बुढ़िया मत्था टेकता, निशाना साहिब मिलकर मत्था टेकता, उत्थे मत्था टेकता, सचखंड वसै निरंकार. किसी ने कहता कि इज इट सचखंड निरंकार इज देयर और इट इज इन विदिन योर माइंड. बोलिए ने असी कि रब अंदर है, साडे रब अंदर है. वो पंज खंड भी गुरु ने सानू कहा सारा अंदर है. चित्रगुप्त अंदर है, पापुन ऑल इनसाइड, धर्मराज ऑल इनसाइड, नथिंग डूइंग, हेल एंड हेवन ऑल इनसाइड. सचखंड ही कौन मत्था टेकिया फॉर व्हाट? नहीं, मैंने श्रद्धा, श्रद्धा जी श्रद्धा. फॉर दिस श्रद्धा वी डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. अन्नी श्रद्धा, and the word comes Sardalu, a follower, and this word Sardalu comes with two words. Maaf karna, I'm a bit blunt. Sarda and Ullu. Ullu कौन है? जो रात ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਅੰਧੇਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਅਗਿਆਨਤਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, he can see. ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਚਾਨਣ ਹੁੰਦਾ he can't see. ਜਦੋਂ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ he can't see. But night, अज्ञानता दे विच he can see. And this word, blind faith, श्रद्धालु, श्रद्धा रखने वाला उल्लू, श्रद्धालु, माफ करना. ते गुरु कहता अकली साहिब सेवी अकली पाई अमान. ते गुरु कहता बुझना भी पढ़ना भी अकल दे नाल ते फिर असीं दान करना. पढ़ना बुझना नहीं, सेवा तो दूर रहेगी. सेवा की है? शब्द विचार की सेवा सी, वो भी असी फिजिकल दे विच लिआंदी, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ भी सारा डिस्टिंक्शन है नहीं. ऐ हो गया स्कूल जाना पर SPM का सर्ट नहीं लेके आना, फेल हो जाए कोई ना, प्रीफेक्ट बन जाइए, पनाका बन जाइए, वो हो जाए, ये हो जाए, सारे दूसरे काम करने ने, पर जो ज्ञान लेके आना से स्कूल में वो करना नहीं. असी ऐ जाने स्कूल वास्ते नहीं. टीचर ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗਿਆਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਦਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਹੋਮਵਰਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸਾਡਾ ਹੋਮਵਰਕ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਦੇ, ਸਾਡਾ ਹੋਮਵਰਕ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਟੀਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਮਵਰਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਪਰਚੇ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਗਿਆਨ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੀਚਰ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਹਦੀ सेवा करता and all that, I do something else. No, I took the gyan. That's the most important thing. But we respect the teacher, yes. But we have put the seva before the shabd vichar. We have put all the pakhanda, itte matha tek liya, utte matha tek liya, kar liya, but do not want to read. That's why I started with, we have to make this distinction. What Guruji is telling us. That's why I ask you a question, will you follow Guru Nanak Dev Ji or will you go to Khadur Sahib with Guru Nanak Dev Ji? I know Guru Nanak Dev Ji is our role model, he is our first Guru. We make his Gurpurb and all that, but Guru Ji also told us what? Guru Ji कहते ने ਜਦੋਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ, ਤੇਰਾ ਕੌਣ ਗੁਰੂ ਜਿਸਕਾ ਤੂੰ ਚੇਲਾ? Question put in Siddh Gosthi 943, it's in Guru Granth Sahib in Ramkali. He said, who is your Guru? Now Guru Nanak can say, I am the Guru. But what was his answer? He said, Shabd Guru, Sut Tun Chela. Straight away Guruji said, there is no physical Guru. We can revere, yes, as a person, and that's it. But what we must follow now is, and take the gyan from is, from Shabd. Shabd Guru, Soch Tun Chela. He said, my Soch is the disciple of the Shabd, my consciousness. I put my Surta consciousness as a Sikh on Shabd Guru. मैं कर्म खान पखंडना तो दूर है किते नंगियां लत्तां करके आ गए कशहरा पा के किते वो पाले चोले ये गल्लां नहीं ਇਹਦਾ ਦਿਖਾਵੇ ਹੈ I also can wear white turban and all that and come here and sit down there and then say wow ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸੰਤ ਬਾਬਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੇਖੀ ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ every page guru have talked about ਭੇਖੀ but we follow that ਆਓ ਗਾਂ ਵਧੀਏ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ then let's follow when Guru Angad Jyoti Jyot Samay the Gurgaddi passed to Guru Amardas ji and said who was the detractors Datu ji and Dasu ji his sons who were unhappy why the Gurgaddi is going to Guru Amardas ji and what did Guru Angad Dev ji do he told him to go to Goindwal and left Khadur that's why I say we are not we were going to pray in Kartarpur no we are not on location buildings nothing only Shabd but we waste so much time of efforts and all that doing all the unnecessary things but we lack reading and understanding and amal nah langsung tara so Guru ne kya ke tu Goindwal lift Khadur now who got Khadur Sahib his sons Datu and Dasu got the Khadur and where the Pothis went of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and what Guru Angad Dev Ji wrote went to Guru Ramdas Ji later in 1574 Guru Amardas Ji Jyoti Jyot Samay third Guru Gurgaddi went to Guru Ramdas Ji and there was no detractors because he was his son-in-law and where did Guru Ramdas Ji stay in Goindwal he didn't go look at that Kartarpur second Pasha went to Khadur Sahib then third Pasha went to Goindwal why because people were fighting for the Gurgaddi and for property fourth Pasha there was nobody to fight for stayed in Goindwal I'm just telling you how the Pothi Sahib came by look at Guru Ramdas Ji when he Jyoti Jyot Samay Gurgaddi went to Guru Arjan Dev Ji fifth Guru and we got two very huge characters Prithvi Chand and Mahadev who were also the cause of his Shahidi and where Goindwal went to the location Goindwal went to Prithvi Chand he took over he said Mera and where did Guru Arjan Dev Ji went Guru Arjan Dev Ji went to Lahore for 7 years he went off there see look at the history then only in 1588 he came to Amritsar not in Goindwal and built Harmandir Sahib and then he started compiling the Bani and scribed by Gurdas and Sampana Giti. Look at the journey, the panda of how the Gurbani came by. And the ultimate prize. Guru Arjan Dev Ji after 2 years later Shahidi he was tortured and murdered Shahidi by why is it for this Dadi case no at that time there was no such issue it is the soch bichara the siddhant the prakash he want to happen in these Sikhs that मेरे सिख जड़े लालो ने ना ये वधंगे फुलंगे ते विकास होंगे ये डेवलप होगा इन्हां दा माइंड ये वधंगे उन्हां वास्ते शहीदी पाई गुरु अर्जन देव जी ने because he passed away what was written in Guru Granth Sahib against the Muslims against the Brahmins Pandit that what you are doing this is wrong For that, he passed away. There was no fight of a Dari case that time. Was there any? No. We stood for what is written in Guru Granth Sahib. पश्चात विचार नहीं होता साढ़े वाले को टाइम नहीं देते कई बार क्या असी विचार साझे कर सकी बाला कीर्तन ही होंगे गुरुद्वारे में मैं आ भी कह रहा क्यों क्योंकि सकाला और आ गया स्क्रीन के होते पढ़ के माड़ा जाए तो सिर हिला के तो तुर जाओ लंगर छक के जिन्हें हम विचार साझे करने औखे ने करके सानू कुछ करना पो बदलना पो यू हैव टू चेंज नॉट ओनली गुरु अर्जन देव जी पास्ड अवे शहीदी पाई हिज सन गुरु हरगोबिंद was also कैद किया इन ग्वालियर फोर्ट was imprisoned सतवें गुरु also was hunted down 8th Guru 8 years old passed away in Delhi 9th Guru beheaded in Delhi for what for Prakash of what Guru wrote that's what nothing to do वो के दाढ़ी वासे आसी लड़के मर गए ये गल नहीं सी उन्हें later Guru Gobind Singh built up the army to fight the tyranny to hold on to what we have written what the Gurus have written. And we have backed it. ਅਸੀਂ ਹਿੰਦੂਆਂ ਨੇ ਫੇਰ ਤੁਰ ਪਏ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਪੈਗਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਐਨੀਮਿਜ਼ਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਸੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੀ ਪੂਜਾ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਚੰਦ ਦੀ ਪੂਜਾ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਦੇਵਤੇ ਦੀ ਪੂਜਾ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੈਗਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਸੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਯੂ ਟਰਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉੱਧਰ ਤੁਰ ਪਏ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਕਿਉਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਰੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਪਾਏ ਸੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬਦਲਾਤਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਾ ਦਾੜੀ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਾਸੀ ਮਰੇ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਨੌਂ ਦੇ ਨੋ ਸੱਚ ਥਿੰਗ what was written that's what we stand for today so for the change of society the siddhant ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ can I have 5 more minutes please I can't get, wait, just give me a minute. Look at it. Bhai Gurdas Ji wrote, Marya Sikha Jagtar Vich Nanak Nirmal Panth Chalaya. This is what Guru Nanak Dev Ji started. Uniqueness of our religion, universal thought. Our Allah Noor Pai Kudrat ke sab bande, that everybody is same, uncontaminated. He threw away all the pre-existing 1469 Viparvad and all that he threw away. We nicely incorporated and brought it on. We brought it in. Nirmal पंथ चलाया साढ़े झोली में पाया सिखो ला लो ये तुसी पढ़ो ते नाल अमल करो but it didn't happen it's not happening we are going backward we are fighting among each other look at the conditioning we have for an example see in Amritsar, we know 1640 Guru Har Gobind left for Vadali. Even he, as I am stating to you, how Goindwal was left, how Guru Ramdas ji left Goindwal, then Guru Arjan Dev Ji came to Amritsar. Now even Amritsar was taken over by Prithvi Chand and Mahadev, and Guru Har Gobind in 1640 left Amritsar for Vadali. And no Guru after that went to Amritsar. Not the 7th, not the 8th, not the 9th. Guru ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਦੇਵੜਾ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਤਾ ਸੀ they closed the door. Who closed the door? Prithvi Chand and Mahadev's descendants. They say you have no place here. You go to Amritsar, you will see the Thada Sahib where Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji sat. He bought a piece of land at Anandpur Sahib and went there. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was born in Patna Sahib, fought his way all the way to Anandpur Sahib, came down to Damdama Sahib, and that's it. Never went to Amritsar. Left Amritsar. And although we make it so holy and all that, as I told you, we got nothing to do with location or Sarovar, nothing. Only Shabd Guru. And remember, 280 years it was in the hands of the pujaris and whoever do the Brahminical thing. Only in 1920 we got the keys of Harmandir Sahib, and in the Parakrama was all Devi, Devtiyan, sare khade si. And the Sikhs took it out, cleaned out everything. But there is soch bichara, aaj tak nahi badaldi. Aaj tak nahi badaldi. You cannot go according to what Guru Granth Sahib tells you. Look how we discriminate against women in Amritsar. I'm going to stop here. That's I've given you an example. Why we not moving forward? They are not allowed to do kirtan. They are not allowed to clean Amritsar. When you go into the sanctum, you are not allowed to do that. Why? The Akal Takht Jathedar was asked, why is it so? Parampara, condition, tradition. No pankti from Guru, and from Sri Guru Granth Sahib. No, nothing. Because there's nothing. Because Guru Nanak Dev Ji aise Pandajami hai, Pandajami hai, and Rajan Guruji have told that kings are born of the woman, have given them equality, but we cannot accept it. Why? Because we go back to the Brahminical things. Can you imagine? Until today we cannot accept. We cannot accept all these things. We still think that the woman is unclean. Look at our soch. 1469 Guruji is talking about evolution. कि बंदा किमें वादा किमें जी तो बंदा बनया. Darwin only came on later, in 300 years only told us what is the evolution theory, and Guru Nanak earlier said, Guru Granth Sahib told us what is that. We cannot accept that kind of gyan in the treasure. We can't accept it. Because why? We are not reading it. We are not understanding it. And lastly, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, when he saw what he has, he said, Piu Dade ka khol ditta khajana. This is the khajana we got. Piu Dadyan da khajana hai. San Guru ne baksya Prakash. He said, when I opened the treasure of the Bani of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and onwards, messages of SGS, the Bani of bliss, common sense, wisdom, vivek, virtue, se sab kuch milda. Fair ki hoya, he said, ta mere man pya nidana. He said, my mind got filled with bliss when I read and understood. Wow, so much things Guru left for us, and we are still fighting among us. We are directionless. Don't know what we are doing. मेरी सेवा प्रवान करनी, भुलां गलतियां माफ़ करनियां,